Okay, so once the mapping is established from this particular template to the Google Sheet, the next step that we are on is telling it which file to generate and how to generate. Now, the first field that it asks you is what will be the name of the file that will be generated. Now, this is any particular name that you feel suitable. So, there are two more things that we have to talk about. The first is what is the type of the document that you can generate. Now, the options here are either Google Doc or PDF. Now, if you want to generate a PDF document, which ideally you should, you click on PDF. Second thing is, how do you file to be output as? Do you want it to be a multiple output mode or the single output mode? Now, in case of multiple output mode, what is done is for each record in the data, a different file will be created. In the single output mode, there will be one single file that will be created, and all the rows in the data will be mapped to one sheet of that file. So normally, let's say even if you want to generate certificates or you want to generate salary slips, you would like to share individual salary slips with each person. So I have selected the multiple output mode. Now what remains is the name of the file. So let's try to call it with the name of the person. Now, at any time, if you want to refer to any of the tags that you used, what you have to do is click on this icon here, this arrow. Whenever you do that, you will be able to avail the list of the tags that are available. Now, once you do this, here you get all the names of the tags. Now, let's say I want to name my file with the name of the person to whom that file belongs to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up this particular field, which is name. Now, how we do this? You just click on name. So what I'm going to do is this is name. I'm going to click on name. Now here in the file name, I'm going to copy it. So for this, what I'm doing is clicking a Control V. So what I did again, I clicked here, I clicked on name, and when I went here, I just did Control V and I copied it. Okay, so the file name here starts with the name of the person. Now, after this, let's put an underscore and write salary slip. You can, of course, add any other details that you would like here. For example, maybe the name of the month. Now, once this is done, what you have to do is click on next. Now you have to choose a destination folder. Now this is the folder where all the documents that will be generated will be stored. So this is the easy way with which Autocrat allows you to store the documents that you create. Now by default here demo has been selected, which is the folder in which my files exist. But what you just need to do is you have to click on choose folder. It shows you the folders which are available in your drive. So these folders have come up. Now you can just see the folders that I have. So I'm going to select demo and here it comes. So this is how you actually select the folder into which your file goes. So if you give multiple folders here, your files will go into all those folders. Now what you have to do is click on next. Now this talks about adding a dynamic folder reference. This is an optional field and you can leave this. Next is set a merge condition. This is again an optional field. Now this actually is useful when you do not want to run the code for each of the records. If you want, let's say that you would like to give the certificates to only those who have got a grade greater than 40%. In such a case, you would like to check the value of the grade column and then only provide the certificate.